Hi friends, in this video I will going to show you how to install a Windows in your PC. If your window files are corrupted or deleted, this kind of message display on your monitor. Now insert the bootable device in your PC. In that bootable device there should be window files. This process might be take several minutes. Now select the language United States English and click on next. After clicking next, click on install now. This process also might take several minutes. If you have a product key with you, you can put over there. If you don't have, then there is an option and click on next. Then select what kind of Windows you want to install. Then click on next. Now select I agree and next. Select custom and select the drive and format the drive and click on next after formatting. In this way you have to install Windows to your PC. This process might be take some time, so I have made fast forward to it. Same procedure is for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 also. Now the window is completely installed to your PC. Now restart your PC and remove the bootable device. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. Thank you.